Hi there, today we're sharing 5 amazing facts about nature. Let's dive in. Did you know trees can communicate? They share nutrients and information through a network of fungi. The ocean is full of sounds. Whale songs can travel hundreds of miles underwater. Plants are smarter than you think. They can remember past experiences and adapt to their environment. Meet the immortal jellyfish. It can revert to its juvenile form, effectively escaping death. Some creatures produce their own light. This bioluminescence helps them communicate and hunt. Those were 5 fascinating facts. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like.